It's a pin-up candidate. Miss Farmville 2011.
Hello.
Aussie chick Christmas. Complete with a Christmas
Barbie
hat.
is out.
Farm Barbie. No, this is back to women.
This is Steve TV on the tractor. On the tractor Christmas Day. Thank God I got the camera because we might not make it. Chris is driving.
Where's Dustin? He's not running.
Oh, there he is.
Oh. Now Amanda is going to drive. I don't know if this is exactly a good idea, but it's going to happen anyway. I'm filming.
Cowboy Amanda.
Come on, Cowboy Amanda.
Film or photo? Why not photo instead? Amanda.
Right?
Okay. First, put the foot on the clutch and put it in sixth gear. That's that one there. Not all the way over. Not there. That one underneath there. Yep.
And release and accelerate at the same time.
Oh no, just release the brake. Release the brake first. Push down really hard. That's it.
I've never seen a farmer wearing silver sandals like that.
I said, when I went down to the farm, what shoes you wearing? She's like, sandals. I was going to wear heels. I thought I better be responsible. I'm like,
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness. We're hanging on for dear life here.
I've got you.
there's going to be so many photos of the net.
Amanda, hug and kiss.
This is the best Christmas ever.
Christmas Australiana style.
Am I gonna hit him?
Keep going.
Oh my god! Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Bah!
Please!
Bah! Bah! Careful, careful.
Smoothly, darling, smoothly.
I can hear Tor barking in the background. That's the road there. You can see there's a lake down there as well through the trees. All the sheep are following us. Howdy, Neth.
I'm totally driving the tractor!
Brennan, don't run. Run, Daddy, run.
Come on, Grumpy! Watch out for that tree.
Come on, Daddy, hop on.
Amanda, that's one ball.
One ball.
Oh!
Stall.
Oh.
Stall for the one ball.
As we come to a grinding halt.
Oh my god, that was amazing!
That's one ball. You can tell if you count them.
That's one ball. The one ball is a ram. We're rolling back.
Lee, I've got to
No handbrake, baby.
Okay, push that down.
Yeah.
Push down hard, then pull that little lever up. Just sort of.
And then let go at the same time.
Is that it?
That's it.
One ball's getting massive,
Oh
Daddy.
God.
Yeah.
That was amazing. That was so cool. Thanks, Chris.
And it's all on camera.
Oh
3
my
cameras,
God.
3 lots of Facebook, baby.
Oh my God.
And I've got it on video, of course.
Oh my
Steve
God.
TV.
Woohoo! He's the best tractor driver ever. And the hottest. Hello.
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 If you'd like to get together with Amanda, she's taking orders now.
And that's 199
You can call her now. You can get her on Facebook, my Facebook page.
Going cheap.
Going cheap.
Hi, Marlon.
Man. Oh,
I'm gonna get hit with the wheel.
yeah, you got to be careful.
Yeah, that's the new one.
Oh, it's a baby.
Light drop.
Oh, little baby in the middle.
Look how big it is. Yeah. How many have we got?
Are you right? Do you need to eat? One here.
21 there. Plus the lamb.
Man.
Okay, nice.
21. Yeah, 21 in the land.
Oh, you're
So we got to count the lambs. Oh, look, she's trying to. Little lamb's trying to get fed. Wow.
And it's cooing at the same time.
Yeah, mother looks a bit raggy, doesn't she? Wow.
I was better, Chris.
So we just had to count the sheep to make sure that none were taken by the fox. And you can see the ram there in the middle called One Ball. And I think you can tell which one Ball is. That's him just here. Hello, One Ball. Meh. 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 Meh.
You know you're telling him you've got a small penis.
I don't care what they think. Meh. 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 CTV on the back of a tractor.
That's CCTV.
There's a creek down there.
They're a little bit overbalanced. Where are the sheep? Are they following?
No, they're halfway down the hill. Oh look, there's a dam there. That's the first dam.